Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's Leetcode question. Today's Leetcode question is medium. In this question, we want to we have minimum deletion to make the string balance. Now, what string is balance? A string is balance as we have a string S consisting only of characters A and B. We can delete any number of characters in S to make S balance. Now see, S is balanced if there are no pairs in ij indices such that I is less than of j and S of I is b and S of j is a, which is technically means that after b there can't be an a. Okay, written the minimum return of deletion needed to make sure. This is the example. So let's see. See, we had an example uh, see S equals to a double b a b. Okay, this was the example. Now, how many characters should I remove so that this become balanced? Now, balanced string. What is balanced string? Balanced string means if there is B, then there should not be A. Okay. So what should balance be? What if I remove these two A? Then this is balanced as double A B B B B. Okay, this is balanced. One way more A B A double B A B. What if I remove this one and this one? Then again it is balanced triple A double B. Now don't have any condition to remove how many characters should be of A should be there, B should be there. We just need to remove minimum number, minimum count that should be removed to make it balanced, balanced string. Now we have the idea what is balanced string. Okay, but how we'll do it? Like for example, in this we can do what we do if there is B, remove B except the last number like B, 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 and so then count is equals to 3. If we remove 3 B's, then also this is balanced. Let's say count is higher than this. As in this count was 2. Okay, so there is no any necessary if we have to remove only B's or only A's. We can remove A or B, whichever find it necessary so that the count is minimum. Okay, now see. Let's see. Now we have this is our deletion count. Okay, first start with 0, and this is our B count. This is it. In our string S is equals to AB. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. Now in this we have first we will check it is our where is our first B. We go through our loop. I is equals to 0. I less than of n. I plus plus. Now if S of I is equals to B, then B we will increase our B of count. Okay. Else. Now what we will do in else? Let's solve the question. Now see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here it is A. We don't need to remove in this. Here is again A. We also didn't need to remove in this. And this is the correct indices. Now first start of B. Now B start. B count is 1. Okay. Now what if again there is B, 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 B? Then we don't need to remove any count. As this is the balance already a balanced string. But we don't have this. We have this. Now in this I equals to or I equals to 3, it is an A. We have to remove this value, right? How? Now see, we will delete count. Now we need one value is equals to minimum of what we already has at count. Now see, there are two conditions we have. Either we can remove this or we can remove this. What if here it is only B, 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 B? We don't know it yet. If we remove this, it will work it. If we remove this, that will be also work. And we can remove from both. But now this will depend our B's count. So now see, delete plus 1. This one is for A, comma, B of count. So first our delete count is, here it is 1, it is 1. Now I is here. Now I is equals to 4, which is B. B's count increases 2. Then again B. B's count increases 3. Now again, here is our A, which disturbing our balance string. Now what we can do? We can remove this one part alone, or we can remove these whole parts. Like how many B's are there? We can remove that. But count will be increased, but we will see that by the count. Now see, at I is equals to 6, minimum value of. What is our delete count? Now delete count is already 1. So this would be 2 as 1 plus 1. What is B's count? B count is 6. So which value should I remove? Of course, 2 at 3. So if we remove the A value, then it will work. See, if I remove this one, or in this we can remove, in this we remove this one. We don't know, we are just using the count. We don't know which one to do, but we definitely will remove this part. So if we remove these two, this is our balance string. Okay, what if we remove these three? This is our balance string too, but count should be made. That's all. That's all for this. And there is nothing more than that. This was our logic. Its time complexity is O of n, and its space complexity is O of 1. Let's see the code. See, we did the size. Answer, which is our direct count, is 0. B count is 0. We go through the loop. If there isn't B in the string, we increase the count. Otherwise, answer is equals to answer plus 1 and B count, minimum. Written. Let's submit it and show it to you guys. So see, all test cases has been passed. So this is the correct solution. That's all for today. Thank you for being with me here. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.